Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel for another video. So first of all, how are you guys doing? It's 2021. So this video, I'm gonna be meal prepping. I have not meal prepped in maybe 2-3 years. I think the very beginning of my weight loss journey, I tried to meal prep and it just was not for me. I still don't care for meal prepping, but it's just gonna be easier for me to have food, like healthy food ready and available, so I don't have to try to figure out what I'm gonna eat for my meal. I haven't gone like special grocery shopping for this meal prep. I'm just doing with what I have already here at home, and it's gonna be really simple. I just want to make sure I have healthy food available, so when it comes time for my meal time, I'm not like searching and trying to figure out like what I want to eat, what the calories are and stuff like that. Like I already know what I'm gonna have, and just make it easier for me when it's time for lunch, which is usually my meal time. It's also the time that I'm getting my kids their lunch as well, and so I usually fix them their food first, and then I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to make for myself. And I usually have like 20 minutes left, and sometimes I don't make the best choices when I'm only 20 minutes to figure out what I'm gonna eat for my meal. So yes, I'm gonna make some sweet potato, some of these classic baby creamer potatoes. They're really creamy and they're really good. We have this seasoning, this truffle, Parmesan and black garlic seasoning that I was gonna try on the potatoes. So I'm gonna do that. Chicken, these are some, I'm just gonna grill it on this grill pan right here. And then these are the seasonings that I'm gonna use for my chicken. I have some buttery steakhouse seasoning. I've showed this before. I have some pink Himalayan salt. Yes baby, I don't really like black pepper, so I'm gonna use some cayenne pepper. I like cayenne pepper more so than black pepper, but just a little bit because it's really spicy. Some garlic and some cumin, which is one of my favorite seasonings. Some cherry tomatoes that need to be eaten, so those are going to be eaten this week. I also have some baby carrots that need to be eaten, and I have a lot of carrots that need to be eaten, and some zucchini squash that needs to be cooked. I'm gonna grab some soy sauce because I love soy sauce with the zucchini. Also, I have a sweet tooth. Like I have a really big sweet tooth, and it's no secret. I love sweets, and I always have. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna have a protein smoothie as like my sweet treat, I guess, after my meal. I have some frozen fruit and some spinach, and I'm gonna make that using my organic protein powder and some water. And the protein powder is already sweet plus the fruit, so I don't add any additional like honey or sugar, and I use water instead of milk. So I'm gonna do that as well, and hopefully that will help to keep my sweet tooth at bay. So we shall see how that works, but I have a little plan that I'm gonna do, and we'll just see how it works. And like I said, I'm gonna do 1 meal a day, and I have not done 1 meal a day in a long time, so we shall see how it goes. Anyways, no more rambling. I'm going to start cooking my meal prep for the next 3 days. So I have my potatoes all chopped up. This looks like a lot of potatoes, I'm gonna be honest. But it's for 3 days. It might even be enough for 4 days. So we're just gonna go with it. I might be tired of potatoes, honestly, by the end of this. But we're gonna go with it. This is what the chicken is looking like so far. I should turn up the heat just a little bit. I have it on low. So let me turn up the heat just a little bit. I don't wanna I'm just kind of cooking it slow because I'm like, I don't want it to like burn. And so this is what the chicken is looking like so far. It looks pretty good. And so we're just gonna let that keep cooking, especially these like thicker pieces right there. So we're gonna let that do its thing. Gonna do is tomorrow morning I'm gonna weigh in and just get my starting weight, because I just feel like I'm starting over from like scratch. That's how I feel, which is nothing wrong with. I think that's perfectly fine. So I'm just looking at it like I'm starting over on my weight loss journey. I'm gonna weigh in tomorrow morning, and that'll be in the next video that you guys see after this, most likely, when I do like my full week 1 meal a day video that a lot of you guys love. I'm gonna start doing those again because that's another way to keep myself accountable with everything. So yeah, I'm gonna weigh in tomorrow morning, share my weight with you guys, and just let you guys know where I'm at, and to be open and just like transparent and everything, because yeah, I mean, I'm not perfect, so I just want to just be open and transparent with you guys and let you guys know what my weight is currently. But as far as vegetables, I have a few options. I have some lettuce that needs to be eaten before it goes bad. I think I've had this for maybe a week now, so this for sure needs to be eaten before it goes bad. It still looks okay for now. A lot of spinach, and I've had this for about a week as well, and it still looks good. So I have the spinach. So I'm gonna chop these up, and I'm not gonna cook them because they'll get mushy, but I will pre-chop the lettuce so it's ready to go for me to grab it. You guys, I found a way to have a ranch salad without having the ranch dressing. I have the ring light on because it's dark in my kitchen. So let me share this, because there's a way for me to get a ranch salad without, sorry for the darkness, without actually using ranch dressing, which has all the calories in it. So ranch seasoning, and what I do is I'm gonna show you guys this. In my, sorry it's loud, you know, my kids are watching You Got Served and they're dancing, so there's that. So I'm gonna show you guys in the next video that you guys see, my full week of 1 meal a day. I'm gonna share this like recipe of how I make my salad, but it's pretty much some fresh lemon juice, a little bit of like salt and pepper, then add the ranch seasoning. It's really good and it saves on calories, let me tell you guys. Okay, so it's 8:22. I've been doing this for almost an hour and a half, but it's coming all together. So I have my roasted potatoes all done. I have my lettuce that is pre-chopped, zucchini that is pre-chopped, all of my chicken. So the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna portion out my smoothie for tomorrow. So this is the fruit blend that I'm gonna use. This is peaches, mango, strawberries, and some pineapple. my protein powder, I'm just gonna scoop it when I make my protein smoothie. So I'm just gonna leave that in there. I'm not gonna put it in the freezer. And then just some spinach. So I have some bags that I'm gonna put it in and then put this in the freezer. So I'm recording on my phone because my camera died, but okay, so this is the meal prep for the next 3 days. So I showed you guys everything. These are the little bags for the smoothies. So I just have some of that fruit mixture and a bunch of spinach. And then when I make the smoothie, of course, I'm gonna add in my 2 scoops of my protein. 2 scoops of this protein is 160 calories. So we're gonna add that, and then I'm gonna have that with water. My pre-chopped salad. I don't have another big glass Tupperware, so these are the potatoes, the zucchini, and then the chicken in there. And so yeah, that's everything. That's all of my food for the next 3 days. And yeah, I'm excited to see how I do with this meal prep and see if I get tired of it. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything. So, so I'm all done with meal prep and everything. I'm getting ready to just fold some laundry and relax and stuff. So that is it for this meal prep video. I feel like really motivated and just like it's time to get it going. So I feel really good. So tomorrow is gonna be I guess day 1 for me, starting all over. So I'm excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this meal prep video. Hopefully it gave you some ideas. If you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna be starting my 1 meal a day videos over again. That's it for this meal prep video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.